Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Study Gap, and today's we are diving into a fundamental concept in electronics, which is voltage division law. This law help us understand how voltage and current splits across resistor in a circuit, make circuit analysis much simpler. By the end of this video, you will be able to calculate voltage and currents in series and parallel circuits like a pro. So let's get started. So you can see on the screen, this is voltage division law. There is a circuit and the source voltage is Vs, and there are several resistors like R1, R2, R3 and Rn. These resistors are connected in series. Okay, so now if we want to find out the voltage drop across each resistor by using voltage division law, we can easily find out that voltage. Okay, so for example, here if we connect a voltmeter like this, and this voltmeter will show you a voltage drop across R1. So by using this formula, V1 equals to R1 by R1 plus R2 plus plus Rn into Vs. By using this formula, you can easily find out the voltage drop across R1. Similarly, if we want to find out the voltage drop across say R2, that means if you connect a voltmeter here, and this voltmeter will give you the reading of voltage drop across R2, and by using this formula we can easily find out V2, and the formula is, you can see on the screen, V2 equals to simply that resistance, that is R2 by R1 plus R2 plus Rn. Okay, and similarly this is for Vn. Let's see an example. So you can see on the screen, there is a voltage source which is 10 volt, and two resistors are connected in series with the voltage source. Now we are interested to find out the voltage drop across R1, I mean 3 ohm resistance, and the voltage drop across R2, that means 2 ohm resistance. So let's find out first V R1. Now using this voltage division law, which is that resistance by that resistance plus all the resistance connected in series with that resistance. Okay, so here basically we are finding the voltage drop across this resistance, so it is simply R1 by that resistance, which is R1, plus all the resistance connected in series with that resistance. So R2 here is connected with R1, so R2 into Vs. Okay, so this is the formula. So R1 is 3 by R1 3, and value of R2 is 2 into Vs. Vs is 10 volt. So it is 3 by 5 into 10. That means 6 volt. That means the voltage drop across R1 is 6 volt. Similarly, if you want to find out the voltage drop across R2 using the same formula, like VR2 equals to, the formula became R2 by R1 plus R2 into Vs. Okay, so this is equals to, R2 means 2 ohm by 2 ohm plus, sorry, actually R1 is 3 and R2 equals to 2, so into Vs, which is 10, and this equals to 2 by 5 into 10, that means 4 volt. Okay, so this is 6 volt and this is 4 volt. That means if you connect a voltmeter here, so if you connect a voltmeter here to know the voltage drop across R1, it will show you 6 volt. Okay, and similarly if you connect a voltmeter here like this to measure the reading of the voltage drop across the R2, it will show you 4 volt. I hope you get you understand.